Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Saman Rauf, allocated to Foreign Service of Pakistan, and I am from 52nd Common. Many students have asked me how I prepared my exam CSS in 6 months, what was my strategy, and I would say CSS is not about long hours or retta, it is about strategy and consistency. So today I am going to share my 6-month strategy with you so that it will be easy for you to comprehend the syllabus of CSS and to ace it. So welcome to the channel. In the first month you have to do three things. What are these three things? First of all, you have to finalize your optional subjects. For example, I have finalized my optional subjects in the very first month. I was not confused about it in the second month or the third month. My optional subjects were political science, philosophy, gender studies, European history and Punjabi. This is the first thing that you have to do in the first month. The second thing you have to do is to move towards the compulsory subject. The first compulsory subject that you have to start with is Pakistan Affairs. Now Pakistan Affairs provide the base for all the other compulsories and optionals as well. The third thing you have to do is understanding Pressy. Pressy is very important and you have to understand the theme of a Pressy, how to give title to the Pressy. What is Pressy? You need to understand this. In the second month, you have to move towards other compulsory subjects. Now, how will you divide 5 months into compulsories and optionals? Half of your time, 2.5 months, you will divide into compulsories, and half of your time, that is 2.5 months, you will divide into optional subjects. In the second month, I started preparing for Islamiyat and I started practicing essay outline. I was not perfect. My essay outline was not perfect, but I started practicing it more and more so that I am able to understand it. Current affairs and Pakistan affairs take almost 2 to 3 months to be completed. So now we are in the third month. In the third month, all of your compulsories, for example, Islamiyat, Pakistan affairs, current affairs, these of 3 compulsories should be completed because GSA and the part of GSA ability you have to practice alongside the 2 months alongside current affairs and Pakistan affair. All of your compulsories, main compulsories beside essay and Pressy should be covered by now. So now in the third month you have to move towards optional subjects. For example, the optional I prepared in the third month was political science. I started with political science part 1, then I moved to political science part 2. You have to do rigorous practice of it so that you will be able to understand the concepts of it. Now we are in the fourth month. In the fourth month, you have to cover your other optionals. For example, after covering political science, in the fourth month, I covered European history along with philosophy. European history and philosophy. These are the 2 optionals that I prepared in the fourth month. Now we are in the fifth month. In the fifth month, I covered my remaining optional subject. That is one subject, that is the subject of gender studies and Punjabi. I made notes for Punjabi and I covered its syllabus. I was able to memorize all the poetry that is in Punjabi. And that is all about today's video. If you find the video helpful, kindly do let me know in the comment box, and if you have any further queries, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.